guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video is a review video. First of all, I want to thank you so very much for the overwhelming response on my previous video. Now that video got the maximum views, likes, comments, everything was just amazing. So thank you so very much. And in case you missed that video out, I will link that video in for you guys on the screen as always and in the info box down below. Do check that out. It was a great video indeed. And yeah, coming back to today's review, I'm gonna review a foundation. I want to put out this thing very quickly. For those of you who don't know, the purpose of review video is just to help you guys out. In case you're looking forward to buy any product, you can check out my review videos. With the help of my review, you can decide whether that product is worth your money or not. That's the whole sole purpose of the video. So yeah, without further delay, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a video. And now let's just dive right into the video. Okay, so the foundation which I have today is from Milani Cosmetics. This is how the packaging looks like. It's the Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation. It's a really nice, decent packaging, transparent with the black cap. I really like it just because it is transparent. I can see it, hence I like it. Now, Milani is a completely new brand to me. I've never tried out its products in the past only because of its price. It's a little expensive compared to the other affordable brands. But this foundation really attracted me because of its unique property which says 2-in-1 Conceal Plus Foundation. So I was really looking forward to try it out as I have never tried out a foundation which comes with a concealer. Quantity is quite standard, 30 ml, and it costs for rupees 1400. The price is not standard, I know, but I had got it around 1100 from Nykaa store, and it is available in 7 shades. That's a very strange thing because in India there are so many skin shades. We have a variety of skin tones. Hence, I really expect brands to come up with more shades, at least more than 7. But I happen to find my perfect shade, and that is 06 Sand Beige. Coming inside, it has got a pump, so you need to just press the pump and the product comes out. Now, I just took 2 pumps at the back of my hand, which was almost equal to 1 pump if you look at the quantity, and started applying it on my face. Now, just to check its blendability and application, I started blending it with my fingers and it was blending really easily. I was actually quite surprised the way it was blending so quickly and smoothly. Next, I tried blending it with a foundation brush. Again, it was very easy to blend. And at the last, I took my beauty blender or a sponge. And again, it blended very smoothly. Now with just those 2 pumps, I literally covered my entire face and it gave me a nice coverage. I would say it has got medium to full coverage. You can definitely build it up to get that full coverage, but I was pretty impressed with the coverage it gave me in just 1 application. Also, the thing which impressed me the most was its blendability. I have never ever tried a foundation which blends so easily. It has always been a hassle for me to blend my foundations, but this one blended so easily that it literally impressed me. So I would say if you're a beginner and you don't know how to blend your foundation or you struggle with blending your foundation, this is a great product because it blends so easily. Actually, this is the highlight of the product. It blends really well. If I would compare it with Nykaa or with Maybelline or even with Wet n Wild, this is far better. Expensive, but definitely better. Next, the most interesting part I wanted to try was its concealer part. I applied another layer under my eyes and also on the high points of my face just to check if it acts as a concealer or not. And I realized it didn't cover up my dark circles that well. Could have gone for a 3rd layer, but I think I would prefer a concealer rather than applying 3 layers of the foundation and still not getting that satisfaction. So I would say it definitely failed when it comes to a concealer, but if I would ignore the concealer part, I think it's a great foundation. Coming to the formula, as you obviously saw, it's a liquid foundation and it's very lightweight, so very comfortable to wear. I literally applied it at around 6 o'clock in the evening and right now it is 9:15 p.m. So almost 3 hours, and it is pretty much doing a great job. As you can see, it still looks really nice and fresh. Also, after applying it multiple times, I have realized it is definitely a long lasting foundation. You can actually wear this for the entire day, for your office, for your college, or for any occasion. You can actually wear it for long hours. So not just long lasting, it is also very comfortable to wear. Anything we wear for long hours has to be comfortable, and it is very lightweight, hence very comfortable to wear. Right now even I cannot feel if I have anything on my face. There is no such feeling that I'm wearing a foundation. Literally very comfortable, very lightweight. And I think that's the best part, that you don't need much of the quantity to apply on your face. You don't have to layer it up. Very less amount of the product can give you a really nice coverage. And also it is cruelty free, no animal testing takes place. I always mention this thing in my videos, if the brand or the product is cruelty free, and I think all the brands should be cruelty free. And also I think I forgot to mention this thing, that my T-zone is non-oily right now, otherwise it's super oily, so it's I think oil free as well. Also, I would like to mention all the things which it claims. Medium to full coverage, we just saw that. Lightweight, again we saw that. Oil-free formula, I just mentioned it. Long wear and water resistant. This is something which I did not test, but I will definitely test it out and mention it in my blog post on Instagram, which will be linked in the description box down below, so do check that out. So all in all, I think it's a great product. Only if we ignore the concealer part, it's just a perfect foundation. Let's just focus on the foundation, because at the end it's a foundation. Although they tried to come up with a new technique of adding a concealer to a foundation, but I don't think it worked out that well. But just if we ignore that part, it's a great foundation, and I would say it kind of justifies its price, because as I told you, I have tried out a lot of cheaper options as well. Nykaa, Maybelline, Wet n Wild. I know the difference now, why it is expensive. Even if I consider the concealer part, I think it did cover up my dark circles to some extent, but not fully. But right now I'm not wearing any concealer, I just left it as it is. So I can actually wear this foundation without a concealer. So I think if I can skip one product using this foundation, I will definitely use it on an everyday basis. Especially in the summers, I think we don't like to layer it up on us. So yeah, I would highly recommend this foundation to you guys. If you can invest this much of money, definitely try it out. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. Do let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions, or if you want me to try out any other product and share my reviews. Also hit the like button if you enjoy watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a video, and keep coming back for more videos.